Gold against US dollar. This week has rise in value, and we can see that the prices continue to rise value after the prices reach at this one where the prices reach at 2,507, and then the price tried to move up. We can see for several days the price could not make a cleaner breakout to the upper side, to the lower side, and then finally on a Thursday the price formed this bearish candle, where this one was shared with the traders inside the Telegram group, where it is expected where the price could bounce and what could happen. Then on a Friday the price has formed this bullish candle, which means almost like a pin bar if we take these 2 days into one, and this means a strong point for the bulls, which is expected the price will continue to rise value. But the weekly time frame shows us indecision candle after a strong bullish candle, which is also information that this indecision candle shows us potentially a rise in value. Just continue this bullish momentum. A monthly time frame shows us another bullish candle. We have one more week until this month close, but everything is pointing that there is high probability that this month will be closed as a monthly bullish candle with a strong candle body, where the next level is 2550.00. Now, what are the levels that are very important for the price during the week? It is visible on the daily time frame, and I will share that with you. Currently, we can see that it is very important for the price that the price goes above, that the price goes above 2514, let's say, round number. And if the price manages to close above, this will also trigger a bullish momentum to rise higher price levels. But if the price goes below, this means below 2502, which we can see it is very important support level, this will also open another sell-off up to here, down to here to 2484.66. Now much more clear information are visible on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. Where are the support and the resistance levels in between these largest support and resistance levels, which I'm sharing the daily with the traders inside the Telegram group. So if you will like also check the daily, what are the levels on the 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame to get this MT4 template with the support and the resistance levels and the supplies on around them. You can also join. The link will be below in the description. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.